Welcome. This tutorial will take you through the Action Manager module. The new Actions module will provide you with a simple way of setting up plans, distributing tasks, and create checklists. The goal is to provide a tool that can ensure a good and efficient workflow with the help of Antenor BMS. It's important to note that the Action Manager is a new standalone module. It will work independently of actions used in other modules and documents. To get started, click on the Actions module in the main menu on the left-hand side of your screen. From the index, you can see the plan titles, the number of actions in the plan, who created it, and when it was created. You're also able to select columns and filters for your index. If you want to create a new plan or a new standalone action, you can simply click on the buttons on the top right-hand side of the index. In the My Plans tab, you can easily see all the plans that you have made. The All My Actions button will also reveal all the actions in which you are a part of, either as the creator or as the action responsible. The last tab in the index is the Admin tab, where you can create and manage drop-down menus that can be used in your actions. One of the new features in Action Manager is called Plans. Plans consists of several actions. All users with access to the Actions module can go into a plan and create a new action in any existing plan. If you want to start a new plan, you can click the New Plan button in the index. This will prompt you to create a new plan title. Click Save and you will be taken into the index for the new plan. To add an action to your plan, simply click the New Action button on the top right-hand side. This will make you able to create a new action. The new action will by default be added to the plan you're currently working on. If you're not in a plan while creating the action will be independent, which means it's not part of any plan. This can be useful, for instance, if you're sending out a quick reminder or a to-do list that doesn't need to be a part of a bigger plan. Actions may also be created directly from a document, for example, an NCR. When you are creating a new action, the first tab will give you an opportunity to give a short description of the action and suggested actions. You may also give the action a title and add attachments. The second tab is called the Checklist tab. From this tab, you're able to add your action to a plan or remove it from a plan. You're also able to create the checklist. In the last tab, you're able to set a due date and an action responsible for the action you are creating. When you finish creating your action, you can choose to save it as a draft or to send it to the action responsible. The action responsible will then be notified by email and be able to see the action in the dashboard. The recipient can then choose if they want to accept, reject, or forward the action. Forwarding the action can be a good idea if you think somebody else in your organization is better suited to be the action recipient. If you choose to accept the action, you'll be prompted to write what actions have been taken or if you have any comments to add. You can then send it back to the original sender. The original sender of the action will be able to accept or reject the actions taken by the recipient. If the sender rejects the action, the sender will be prompted to write a rejection message. We hope you will enjoy using the new Action Manager. More information can be found on the Antenor support page.